Angeba Sojola here. In this video, we'll be particularly looking at a drone which was invented by the Ukrainian army, right? And it was intended to be used in the Ukrainian-Russian war for surveillance, right? For reconnaissance, and to also use it in attacks. This drone is known as a sea baby. A sea baby is a sea surface drone, meaning that it can move on top of the surface of the water, right? This drone can carry an explosive load of about 300 to 400 Ks. This drone, the Sea Baby, can travel a distance of about 800 kilometers, right? And it has the ability to connect to the Starlink internet service, right, by Elon Musk to help it conduct various services, right, or various things on the drone, right? Number one, I remember that there were tensions, right, reported on the news between Russia and Elon Musk over the supply of internet using Starlink, right? And then Russia raised the concern that the Starlink makes it possible for Ukrainian drones to work. So that would be a reason that Russia would use nuclear weapons. So um, Elon Musk decided not to supply the Starlink internet service in Ukraine anymore because of that, right? Now, there were three specific attacks in which this drone was used, right? The third one, I'm really not sure, but I believe that the Sea Baby was used, right? The first attack happened in the Black Sea, where you find the Black Sea fleet of the Russian Navy, right? The attack happened in October of 2022, right? That was the first attack which a Sea Baby was used. Another attack in which a Sea Baby was used was the attack which happened on the Kerch Bridge, right? Now, the attack on the Kerch Bridge. The Kerch Bridge is the bridge which connects mainland Russia to Crimea, right? So this bridge was basically attacked on July of 2023, and it basically was dubbed a terror attack by Russia, right? I also believe that the Sea Baby was also used in bombing the dam, right, which caused flooding in Ukraine, right? I'm not sure when that happened, right? But I strongly believe that a Sea Baby was also used there, right? So I just want to talk about the levels of innovative products or innovation which is coming from the Ukrainian army, all in the name of the Ukrainian Russian war. They are quite intelligent and skilled inventors and engineers which are part of the technical team of the Ukrainian army. And yeah, this is quite an impressive product from them. Now, another reason that this drone was produced, right, called the Sea Baby, is the fact that it is very fast, right, and it is agile. If we look at, let's say, naval ships or warships, right, most of the guns that you find in warships were designed to shoot at other ships, right? Other big ships. So if you introduced a small, agile, fast drone within that mix, it becomes very, very difficult to shoot it down. Yes, sometimes the Russian naval forces get lucky in shooting down the Sea Baby. But in most cases, the Sea Baby is able to be maneuvered beyond the shooting of from Russia, right? And that they were able, as I said, able to attack a number of infrastructure and ships using this technology. Now, this technology is believed to cost about 200,000 to about 300,000, right? And it tends to be able to destroy very huge equipment, very huge and expensive equipment. For example, a warship can cost about $4 million, right? A carrier, an air carrier can cost about, I'd say, $900 million, depending on the size of the carrier. But all of this can be downed, can be destroyed using a very cheap, agile piece of technology which the Ukrainians had developed. This is quite impressive, right? And yeah, I think it's very worthy to note it and to keep it in mind. I'll see you in the next video.